Hi everyone! So I was talking to my crafty bestie Laura. She's Lauravcrafty here on YouTube. And I was telling her that I wanted to start something new with her. And I don't think it's been done by anybody else. I might be wrong. But I told her I wanted to do a crafty box where I send her a bunch of items and she has to create something with what I send her. And then, we were just talking about it, like what would we put in there and, what kind of guidelines would we want. So then I ended up in just like conversation, like telling her, because she's like, we should come up with a hashtag. So I was like, hashtag bestiecraftbox. So that's what I'm going to do. This might be a new series depending on how well it goes and how often she wants to participate with me. So this month I'm sending her a Halloween themed. I'm thinking next month I can send her a Christmas theme. And then, so on and so forth. We could just kind of theme it together. So I'm going to be packaging up what I'm going to be sending to her. So I have my little box right here. It used to be a washi box. So I figured this was small enough to go ahead and use. And then I got some pink tissue paper right here. And I'll show you right now because it actually matches what I'm going to be sending her. So let's just shove this in the box right here. Okay. So I remember a long time ago I had hauled these photo frames and she really liked it. So I found some last week and I picked up two. So I said in the video that they're going to be for me, but actually one is for her. She just didn't know it. And because she watches my videos, I didn't want to say one was for her. I wanted it to be a surprise. So I'm going to send her this photo frame. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna send like one main item to be altered. So this is gonna be the main piece that I'm sending to her to go ahead and decorate and alter. So there's our main piece. And then I had said that I think that some papers would be nice to be used. So I have been using this 31 collection from Prima from Frank Garcia Studio. So I just cut out the pieces that would fit the frame. So I have this one with the pumpkins, and then this one with the cats. So they're all from that same collection. So I'm going to send it to her. So if she wants to go ahead and cover the picture, she can using this paper, or she can paint it. It's up to her. I personally would use the paper just because I think it's pretty. And then I couldn't find another ephemera pack anywhere. Everywhere I was looking, it was sold out. So what I did was I took the leftover pieces of ephemera that I hadn't used for the swaps that I've been doing, and I just printed them. So this is thick paper. So I just went ahead and I just took a copy of them. So I'm going to send her that so she can have some ephemera pieces in case she wants to use it. So it's just little random pieces here. So there's that. And then I had hauled these from a local craft store. So there's 4 little brooms in here. So I'm going to send her those because I think it'd be the perfect size to go ahead and use up against that photo. So I should have told you guys. I guess I should have started with that. So the way I would alter this was I would use this paper, and then this little circle right here, I would make this into a shaker. So I have the little papers in here, and then the ephemera bits, and then you see this looks to be like the perfect size to go ahead and use on here. So I'm sending her those also. And then I'm sending her a shaker mix in case she wants to use it, because like I said, I would put that in there. I think this is too much to put in there, but I would still use that. So I'm going to send her the shaker mix in case she wants to make it a shaker. And then again, from this little local shop that I went to, they had bunches of flowers. So there was like 6 flowers to the bunch. So I had only bought one, and when I was looking at what can I send her, I decided to take 2 of each bundle apart. So there's 2 big black roses. There are these smaller black roses. There are 2 large orange roses. And then there were these ribbon flowers right here. Those are just really pretty. So I'm sending her those as well in case she wants to use it for this project. And then let me see. My mom had crocheted these spider webs. So I'm going to send her one of those. And then my mom also put together, these are itty bitty pumpkins. I have no idea how she got her fingers to make them this tiny. I had brought a dime with me to show you guys. Oh, here it is. So let me show you. Here are the pumpkins, and here is the dime, you guys. So this thing is the size of a dime. They are tiny. They are so adorable. So she made 19, I think. So I told her to go ahead and make me one more. So I just had an even 10. So I'm sending 10 to my bestie and then 10 for myself. Let me zoom in here. So yeah, you see how tiny those are? They are so itty bitty, size of a dime. I love them. Have no idea how she got her little chubby fingers to make them that small, but hey, my mom figured it out. So I'm gonna send Laura some of these as well. They could go for this project, or maybe she'll just hoard them away. I have no idea, but I'm gonna include them for her anyways, and then she can go ahead and figure out what she wants to do with them. So that's everything that I'm going to be sending off to her. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm really curious to hear your guys' feedback on how would you decorate this frame, or what do you think about this little, it's gonna be maybe a series that I continue with her. We'll see how it goes. So we've never done it before, so we figured why not, let's see how it goes. So since it was my idea, I'm sending to her, and if it goes well, maybe we'll go ahead and, you know, send back and forth. We'll see how this goes. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you would do with this photo frame and all these little bits and pieces, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.